Europe's biggest tech giants are fleeing. They are abandoning their home turf to gamble everything on risky American SPACs. It is a brutal, high-stakes game. Will it fund their wildest dreams or destroy them instantly? But New York isn't handing out free passes. Silicon Valley dreamers crash hard into a wall of ruthless regulators and skeptical Wall Street investors. The easy money era, dead on arrival. Script written. Fit Scene 3. Read. Silicon Valley dreams are crashing. Desperate founders slash valuations, tearing up old pitch decks. They rewrite every plan, begging Wall Street for survival. The easy money is gone. Now it is pure war. They were drowning. Cash ran out, doors slammed shut, so they signed the contract. They thought it was a lifeline. It wasn't. They just handed the keys of their dream to a ghost corporation. The ink was barely dry on the merger when the nightmare began. Wall Street didn't celebrate. They panicked. Investors dumped stock instantly, sending the company's valuation into a terrifying, unstoppable freefall. It was an absolute bloodbath. Half the staff fired in minutes. Now, the board is screaming for answers while the remaining cash vanishes into thin air. The founders are trapped, staring at empty accounts, waiting for the axe to fall. The walls are closing in. The SEC caught wind of the fake growth numbers, launching a full investigation. Regulators smell blood in the water. This dying giant is officially running out of time. Then screens froze, trading halted. Stock price hit absolute zero. Decades of hard work vanished in seconds. Founders watched, helpless, as their entire life's dream evaporated completely into nothing. The locks are changed. Liquidators are inside, stripping the last of the assets. Outside, the realization hits the workers like a physical blow. Those stock options they sweated for, worthless paper. Absolutely nothing. News of the collapse swept across Europe like wildfire. Watching the smoking wreckage, rival founders froze in terror. They saw the ashes of their own dreams, desperate to avoid the same fatal path. Then the hammer dropped. Regulators slammed the gates on foreign listings, trapping ambitious startups inside. Without access to global capital, their funding dried up instantly, leaving them starving in a crowded home market. Europe's tech dream is crumbling. Starving startups sell to local rivals for absolute pennies to keep lights on. This is not growth. It is a desperate graveyard of forced consolidation. Forget flashy IPOs. Hype died, leaving ruins. Now, founders rebuild brick by brick, ignoring doubters whispering in dark. Slow, painful crawl back, but this time they build to last. Forget the hype. European founders are proving real revenue now, and global investors are noticing. Cautious capital is returning to solid ground. The era of empty promises is over. Sustainable growth is the new king. These founders rejected easy American cash, betting on the long game. But can this slow road truly rescue European tech, or will the siren song of Silicon Valley gold drag them back to ruin?